Welcome! Today I'll be showing you how to set up your account as a coach from an Upswing partner school. Once you have logged into your account, you'll be able to view your home page. Now the first thing you'll need to do is press the Account tab. As you can see, you'll be able to enter all of your account information on this page. You can take the first step by updating your profile picture. All you have to do is press Choose File and press Update. Next, you can press Change and enter your first name and last name and save it by pressing Submit. You will need to repeat these steps for your About Me and Experience sections. When it comes to your education information, you can press Change and then add your college, year of graduation, the degree you earned, and your major, and save it by pressing Add. Next, it is important that you update your address in order to ensure that your time zone is correct. You will need to input your street name, country, city, state or province, and your zip code and click Submit. You can enter or update your email address by clicking Change, and then you can input your new email address and confirm it, and click Submit. You can also enter your phone number by clicking Change, select your country of residence, enter your phone number, and click Submit. Having your email or phone number on file will allow you to indicate your communication preferences, as you can see below. So if you want to be notified when a student schedules a session by email, you can do so by toggling these switches until they turn blue. This is all based on your personal preference. Last but not least, you have the My Activity tab that records the duration of your login activity. Once you are done on this account page, you'll want to head over to your tutoring page. As you can see, there's a lot of information on this page, so let's start by viewing your upcoming sessions with students. First, you will want to make sure that the date and time of the sessions fit your availability, and if everything else looks good, you can go ahead and accept the session. As you can see within this example session, once the session is approved by you, a green button will pop up and prompt you to go to room. Next up, you can also set yourself as immediately available for a session with a student by toggling the switch. If you set yourself as available, please make sure that you are ready to enter a tutoring session if a student chooses to do so. If you decide that you need to take a break, then please make sure to toggle it back to unavailable. You will also be able to find your tutoring notifications below. Once you scroll down, you'll be able to find the availability section. Setting up your availability is vital because it enables students to find you when they search for you. You'll be able to set up your availability by pressing Edit. As you can see, you can set up your recurring availability, one-time availability, put in availability exceptions, and put in vacation time. Last but not least, you can also set up your buffer time between your tutoring sessions. For this example, let's start by setting up your recurring availability. First, you will need to press Add, then select the days of the week, your time of availability, the session type, building and room if you're available for in-person sessions, and the online student max. If you're doing one-on-one sessions, then you can leave the number at 1. However, if you're open to coaching more than one student, you can choose to have up to 5 students per session. Once you are done, you can save it all by pressing Add. As you can see, the information you just provided will automatically populate in this section. You can take the exact same steps to set up your one-time availability, availability exceptions, and put in your vacation time. Last but not least, the buffer period. It ensures that you have anywhere from 15 minutes to 2 hours between each one of your coaching sessions. You can start by selecting Edit, choosing the duration, and pressing Set in order to save it. Next up is the Skills section. As with your availability, it is also very important that you indicate the subjects that you'll be coaching, so the students can find you when they search by subject of their interest. So let's say that you're going to be coaching calculus. You can add the subject by first pressing Edit, and you can either search for calculus here, or choose from the categories below. Once you find your desired subject, you can add it by simply clicking this plus sign, and you should see it pop up under your skills section. You can also easily remove the subjects from this section by clicking this minus sign. Next is the Fluent Languages section. We understand that students from all walks of life are in need of coaching sessions, and some find it more helpful to have sessions with coaches that speak their primary language, so we encourage you to display your fluency in other languages as well. You can do so by pressing Edit, selecting the language, and clicking the plus sign. You may also have noticed the Leave Your Feedback section. Once you have completed a session with a student, you will have the choice to leave feedback on the student's progress and your overall experience. Last but not least, depending on your institution, you'll be able to set your location if you choose to have face-to-face sessions with your students on campus. And that's it. Now that your availability is set and you have indicated the subjects that you'll be coaching, you're ready. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you have any further questions, please get in touch with us by emailing speak@upswing.io.